Hari ke-672 di Fullerton, Los Angeles, Fullerton, California.
California.
Saya setiap pesen mobil kok, Ijo.
Supirnya saya lagi ya, Pak?
Iya, Pak Pongki ya?
Oh iya, Pak Tongki ya?
Kita mau makan, diundang makan sama teman yang tinggal di sini, yang sudah lama tinggal di sini, keluarga yang baik. Nantilah kita lihat.
Kita makan Korean sih katanya.
Kita makan Korea.
Terus nanti kita akan beranjak ke, sorry aku nggak lihat lampu merah, maaf.
Hampir.
Akan beranjak ke sebuah daerah lain di Irvine untuk bertemu seorang teman lagi yang adalah orang Amerika yang teman-teman kenal sih, tapi ya nanti deh.
Ya pokoknya kita Will Smith lah.
Will see.
Ijo. Di sini lampu merah dan lampu hijaunya cepet guys, jadi nggak sempat scrolling Instagram sudah jalan lagi, lurus terus. Oke, ntar dulu konsen nyetir dulu.
Lihat maps dulu ya. Mana tempatnya? Bagus kulitmu di Amerika, kayak orang Meksiko.
Iya emang, karena sudah bilang.
Okay. Wait, what is this again?
Jadi hari ini kita diundang oleh kedua teman kita, Ita dan Rob. Kamu akan lebih banyak melihat mereka nanti di yang lain kontrak ya. Sekarang mungkin wajahnya kita sembunyikan dulu. Jadi mereka terakhir kita makan siang. Karena setelah ini kita langsung berangkat ke sebuah area lainnya yang namanya Irvine untuk bertemu dengan si, I know you guys are gonna love this one.
How are you, Tyler? Nice to meet you. How's your stay so far?
It's good.
It's the best.
Iya, kita ketemu Dokter Kokop alias Tyler Bigenho di kantornya. Kita kunjungan balasan setelah 1,5 tahun yang lalu dia ke Sofina Vitox di Bali. Karena kita syuting di sini sendiri ya, pasang-pasang alat sendiri, tripod pasang sendiri. Selamat menikmati ya guys.
Babang Tyler. Dokter Kokop. What's that all about?
Yeah,
What's Kokop? I don't get it.
Kokop means like kissing.
Yeah, I know, but like, where did that come from? You or
I think it came from.
who cracked the joke first?
I
Like,
think it was
who brought it up?
Arali.
Ah, okay.
I think she said like, I don't know, maybe it was a fan or something, and then we spun it off. I don't remember. But yeah, it just became like it became like, oh, that's one of the only Bahasa words I know.
Yeah,
so I would
like,
comment that.
Yeah, it's like a Smurf word for you.
I would just say Kokop
to everything.
Yeah, and then it became like Dr. Kokop. Yeah.
Hey, kita berjumpa lagi di Sofina Vitox dan seperti yang tadi saya sudah bilang, kita hari ini akan bertemu dengan teman lama, kawan lama. Karena saya lagi ada trip ke California bareng-bareng sama Pongki juga. So we decided to pay a visit to Dr. Kokop. Dr. Tyler is in the house, guys.
I don't even know where that came from.
Yeah. I asked you at the start when I came in, dan katanya Kokop itu gara-gara kayaknya Aureli bikin bercandaan gitu kali ya. It was like a joke kind of thing. She kind of like blurted it out, and then karena kamu nggak ngerti artinya, because you didn't understand what it meant, right? So you just went Kokop, Kokop, Kokop like a parrot.
Yes. That was like my one response for everything. Kokop.
You can say terima kasih though, right?
Terima kasih.
Bisa kan? Bisa.
Bisa kan?
Bisa nggak?
Bisa nggak?
Can you say that or not? That's what I meant. Bisa nggak? Can you?
Say what?
Bisa nggak?
Bisa nggak?
Bisa.
Bisa.
Bisa. Can.
Can.
How many words already now?
Oh wait. Yeah.
Of
can.
Indonesian.
Boleh.
Boleh.
Bule.
Bule itu kamu.
I know how to move people around the table too.
How? Move people around the table.
Like face up. Wait, how do you say it?
Face up.
Tangkurap.
Oh, tangkurap is lay
Down.
Down, yeah.
And then I forgot.
And then this way.
Yeah.
Apa ya? Masa nggak ada, bukan ya? Apa ya kalau balik? Terlentang.
Terlentang. And then miring ke kiri,
Miring ke kiri,
miring ke kanan.
miring ke kanan bisa.
Yeah.
Potong bebek angsa.
Yes. Can. I just say can for everything. Boleh.
Before we actually start with everything, I have so many things to ask because there's just been so much updates in your life, ya, Dr. Kokop ini. But first of all, congratulations, man! Oh my gosh, look at that.
Yeah, I get to show it off. It's nice.
It's been like, how long ago were you on my podcast? Like not even a year, yeah?
March?
Was it March?
No, September. When I went to Bali?
Yeah, when you
September.
when you took too many coconuts and you were like you had the video with the monkeys. Remember that one? That was March or June?
What? No, it was September. 2020. 2020.
Last year.
Yeah.
Yeah?
No, 2 years ago.
No.
September 2023.
Not 2 years ago. Really?
Right.
That's too long ago. Okay, anyway.
Because I went to Bali September 2023, and then Jakarta 2024 March.
All right. So it was 2023?
I think so. Yeah.
Cepet
It
banget.
was like a year and a half ago. A year and a half.
Cepet banget.
Cepat banget.
Cepet.
That's what I said.
Cepet banget.
Cepat banget.
Iya.
Cepat banget.
That was like so fast.
I know. Yeah, it was.
But then it doesn't feel like it has been that long, and I never thought that I'd be flying to California, and then you'd actually give some of your time, and I really appreciate it.
And then you flew to California, and then all the fires happened.
I did not fly to California and the fires.
You know that's what happened with
flew it
Luna?
before. Huh?
You know that's what happened with Luna?
She was here?
They were in Vegas.
Yeah.
Staying at Trump Tower, and then a bomb went off there.
No.
Like somebody did a car bomb and it exploded. I guess they didn't know. They were sleeping. So when they came out, it was like, oh, there's a bomb. And they're like, oh, okay. You know, so they didn't really know. And then they flew to California.
Fires.
And then fires. And I'm like, bro, they need to like leave. They need to get out of here. They're like bringing all this stuff here, you know? Yeah, that's crazy.
I was actually texting you to ask how the fires were, remember? Jadi sebelum kesini tuh aku sempet yang nanya semua teman-teman yang tinggal di California, especially in Los Angeles. But I had already booked an Airbnb in Santa Monica, which is close to where...
You wouldn't want to.
Yeah. Well, I didn't want to go on with it initially, but I kept asking the host and he was like, no, we didn't get evacuated, we're fine. But I thought, the smoke, ya kan, asapnya kan pasti mempengaruhi. So, and then I asked you, and then you were like, yeah,
Yeah, I wouldn't. My friend who lives in Culver City, it's near Santa Monica.
Culver City, yeah.
He said like you can kind of see the smoke, but like this time it's fine, but the air quality is probably not good. That's what he was saying. So.
And you don't want to be breathing that.
No,
Jadi
no.
asapnya itu yang di LA dan sekitarnya itu parah sekali memang kemarin ini. Tapi di tempat kami berada, which is like, how far are we from Los Angeles?
1 hour.
1 jaman lah ya. Itu agak ya 50 kilometer lah kurang lebih. Kalau di sini kan everything is in miles, semuanya dalam mil. Kalau di Indonesia kurang lebih 50 sampai 60 kilometer jauhnya kami saat ini dari Los Angeles. And the fires have not stopped ya.
See how windy it is again? It's probably gonna get worse tonight.
In LA? Where's the wind from this time, do you know?
Same Santa Ana wind, so it goes that way.
Okay.
So it never comes this way.
The wind.
Yeah. That's why like we're fine here. It's just it always blows.
Semoga ya kita jangan sampai kenapa-napa.
Remember how windy it was when you came in?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That was how it was?
No, that's how it started.
Okay.
And then it got really windy like at night. And then that's when the fire just went crazy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Semoga enggak ya. Jadi memang angin itu diperparah oleh, api diperparah oleh angin yang kenceng banget guys. Kencengnya tuh gimana ya? Sampai kalau kita lihat daun-daun gitu ada di aspal gitu muter-muter kayak badai-badai kecil gitu loh. Nanti deh kalau ada gambarnya aku tunjukin. Anyway, back to you. So congratulations.
Thank you.
I don't know. I didn't see that coming. I mean, you were Dr. Tyler, who was like just traveling with your content. Through your content, but also doing your traveling at the time. Dan aku ingat waktu itu dia bilang, I want to get to know more of my Indonesian side. And you took that all the way.
Well, actually, Aurelia and I had started talking before my first trip. So
2023. Oh, 2023 itu sebelum ke Indonesia udah sempet ngobrol through what?
Instagram.
Oh, udah ngobrol lewat Instagram. Who slid into whose DM?
She slid into mine.
No,
Yep.
That's because you're telling the story.
No, I swear, she'll say it too. I think she's maybe done an interview before. I don't remember, but
With you?
no, not with me. But like talking about it, yeah.
Oh, yang nge-DM duluan
she
Aurelie.
says she owns up to it. She says that she has back issues and she was asking. So she was always like the secret reason why I was going.
Masa sih
Yeah,
Tyler?
I
Ya
know.
ampun. Jadi diam-diam dia tuh ngeplan ke Indonesia karena dia ngarep bisa ketemu Aurelie. You kind of hope that if you flew in, she would connect.
Exactly. Because like we weren't to the point, just talking wise, we weren't to the point where it was like, okay, yeah, I'm gonna go to a different country so we can hang out. It was kind of like, oh hey, yeah, that would be cool like one day, It was just like just casual.
Right.
So
But also fishing, no?
For sure. And then because she lives in Jakarta, but she has a house in Bali. So when I told her that I was going, I was like, oh, I could just make a trip out of this. I have an opportunity to through Marianne. And
Marianne Rumantir ya.
She helped set up the first trip. She's actually the one that set us up the second time. When I
Did
came
you
back.
tell her about
She knew it the whole time.
how?
Because I didn't know anyone in Indonesia, and she knew Aurelie.
Okay.
So I would ask her like, oh, what do you think about this? What should I do? Blah, blah, blah. And then when I went back in March, she's the one that like put us together again, and then we never looked back. So yeah.
Yeah, but she slid into your DMs first, right?
Yeah.
Jadi dia nge-DM duluan ceritanya Aurelie. Ini kenapa jadi gosip gini ya? Padahal kesini mau ngobrol sama dia, tapi okay, never mind. Since he's over the moon happy because he has a wife from Indonesia, so we can be talking about this for as long as you want. I was gonna ask you about your back, but okay, we can start with this. And after the DMs, dia pura-pura cari-cari alasan ke Indonesia. So to translate, you were like secretly trying, like you had a secret mission to like try and connect by making the tour. Bahasa Indonesianya adalah diam-diam cari alasan untuk datang ke Indonesia, bukan untuk lihat monyet-monyet di Ubud, bukan, tapi untuk ketemu dengan Aurelie. Dan dipermudah oleh Marianne Rumantir, sahabatnya Luna Maya, tahu ya teman-teman, yang ternyata juga kenal sama Aurelie. So anyway, what happened when you first met, like for the first time, because you had only seen her on the pictures, right?
So yeah, I was working at Atlas Beach Club.
All right, yeah.
And so yeah, I didn't really have any free time because they worked me like a slave. Oh my gosh, that was. I don't see it. You asked me like, oh, if I'm gonna go do that again. I don't know. But basically, I had a day off, and then we were driving to Uluwatu, where her house is, and she texted me, hey, I hope you don't mind, but my mom and my brother are coming. And I was like, what?
Coming to where?
To hang out with us.
To hang out, okay.
And then that was my first time meeting her. And her mom and her brother were coming.
Okay.
And I was like, I guess maybe it's more common there, but here, no way.
Yeah.
No way. Here it would be like, what? You're bringing your mom?
Oh,
Yeah.
jadi pertama kali janjian itu abis dia kertek-kertekin orang yang di Bali itu, ingat gak teman-teman yang berapa orang tuh yang di Atlas? Terus ceritanya janjian lah di Uluwatu karena rumah Aureli is in Uluwatu, right? Her house is in Uluwatu. Tapi tiba-tiba Aureli kontak dan bilang, mamaku mau datang sama adikku. Okay.
Yeah.
And
So
how did you react to that?
I mean, I just
as
thought
a
it was
bule,
funny. I just thought it was funny. Like, okay, I get to meet the mom already. Okay, cool. You know,
Okay.
I joked around, but it was good. We went to the monkey thing, the monkey temple in
right?
Uluwatu,
Uh-huh.
and then we watched the fire show.
All right.
And yeah, it's a great first meet
With the brother and the mom.
with the brother and the mom.
Oh.
Both really nice. They're both angels.
Yeah.
It was nice to meet them. So, yeah, it was cool. Yeah.
But for a bule, that's like weird, no? Like
Yeah, but I don't know. Moms love me, so you know, like they just love me. So I wasn't nervous. I was nervous to meet her dad because I heard he's a difficult one.
So when did that happen though? After meeting the mom, and then did
That
you fly
happened-
back?
That happened in March in
Did you-
Jakarta.
Did you fly back straight away after the Bali trip?
Yeah.
So
Yeah,
you didn't
I
get to
only-
hang out much, yeah.
I only went to. We hung out a few times. Yeah, she was in Bali while I was there. So
Pada suatu siang setelah sebuah serangan kecemasan terjadi kembali pada saya digerakkan untuk kembali ke rumah ayah, meminta maaf atas semua kesalahan saya. Saat itu, saya menangis sebagai anak kecil yang tidak bisa ditenangkan. Saya tidak percaya bahwa kepala saya sedang dielus orang yang selama ini saya rindukan. Miracles do happen. Ternyata manusia dapat berfungsi di dalam masyarakat seakan-akan nothing is wrong, tetapi tidak akan bisa bertahan lama. Pertahanan hancur juga lambat laun. Overthinking at its best is happening day after day. Padahal jangan lupa bahwa the truth is, Dia begitu sayangnya kepada kita ciptaannya. Oleh sebab itu, kita memang butuh Tuhan sebagai tempat untuk meminta ampun. Bertobat dalam artian percaya bahwa kita sudah Dia ampuni. Selamat mencerna pelan-pelan teman. I hope that you'll always remember that you are loved. You are not a problem. Buku ini sudah bisa didapatkan di toko buku Gramedia atau toko-toko buku besar lainnya ataupun secara online. Get a copy of my book today. Jangan di-overthinkingin. See you around, guys.
in Bali while I was there. So, but we hung out more when I came to Jakarta in March.
Okay, and that was in when you got to meet Dad.
Yeah.
Oh, di situ ketemu papanya Aureli, and then
No, I met Dad in July.
Aureli punten ya, ini suaminya ngomongin kamu terus nih, padahal kamunya hari ini nggak bisa. I said, I'm sorry we keep talking about you, Aureli, because your husband keeps wanting to talk about you.
Who doesn't, you know? Yeah, I met her dad in July when I went there to, I don't know if I'm allowed to talk about this.
Just let me know and I can cut it out.
Yeah, just say I met, because I went to like ask for their hand.
Right.
But yeah, I met her dad in July. But in March, I
Wait.
was working.
Wait, what, the monkey thingy where you went to watch the fire dance, that was in 2023, in September. And then you guys texted back and forth, and then no trips to America yet, right? At the time, still texting?
No.
And
yeah.
then in March, you asked,
No,
for-
July.
in July, you asked the dad. Oh, wow, that was quick.
I know. Yeah. I
Wow.
mean, we want kids. So,
Yeah.
Yeah.
When you know, I guess, yeah.
well, you know, we were in an interesting predicament. Like, you know, we met once in September, and then by the time March came, it was like, okay, are we doing this or are we not? And it's a big commitment, you know. If she's gonna move here for me, because I'm not gonna move there. My business is here. Obviously, it's a huge sacrifice for her to just drop
Leave
everything there
everything,
and then
yeah.
come here. She's gonna want to know that like this is gonna be legit, you know. So I made the decision pretty quick, just to speed that up, and just so that neither of us have unleft questions.
Right.
There's no questions. It's already like
Clear.
Hey, it's clear. You're my, like, I'm choosing you. I'm done. I'm not dating anymore.
Jadi nggak mau lihat-lihat yang
Done.
lain lagi, no more looking
No,
ya,
nothing.
tidak ada. Tapi sudah sama kamu aja supaya Aureli juga bisa memutuskan apakah dia sudah yakin mau pindah ke Amerika dan ya setidaknya meninggalkan lah semua yang dia tahu selama ini. Although, so she moved here. I think that was towards end of last year, ya. And then suddenly you guys just got married before the New Year rang.
Right before.
Right before?
Yeah.
31 Desember, 31 Desember?
December 30.
30. Mereka menikah di catatan sipil ya kalau nggak salah. Was it like a civil office? Yeah, okay.
Our wedding is going to be in April this year.
It's okay for you to announce that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Jadi resepsi
Yeah.
in April. Here?
Yeah.
Or in Indonesia?
Here.
Here. Okay. Oh, wow.
So nobody is really coming from Indonesia
Oh.
besides her family.
Her family. Okay. So you guys will be making California your base home, or would you guys be staying half-half? Bakal travel setengah-setengah apa?
Yeah, we'll probably travel back and forth a decent amount. But we just bought a house.
Here. Oh, nice.
Yeah. So, you know, we're pretty excited about that.
Selamat ya, habis beli rumah. We just bought a house katanya.
We just
Yeah.
bought a house. Yeah.
Right. So, how's married life for you? Like, have you always wanted this, or
Of course. Yeah. This is what I've always wanted.
ever since what?
I just want like a family.
Ever since what? Because my husband, so we've been married for like almost 22 years now.
Whoa. Wow.
Yes.
Congrats.
And every time I ask him, he always tells me that he had always wanted a family.
Yeah.
Since umur berapa?
26.
Ever since he was 26.
21.
21. Ever since he's 21. Sejak umur 21, Pongki selalu bilang dia kepengen kawin. So for you, like it's kind of strange for a guy to want like a
That's
family
a
and
good
settle
age.
down.
I was like that when I was 21 too.
Sama ternyata. Oh.
But actually, when I was in first grade, we had like this questionnaire, and it was like, "What do you want to be when you grow up?" And I said, "A dad." That's why I wrote. I know, but I think like, you know, maybe I just loved my dad or something. But I think like 19, 20, 21. That's when I was like, man, yeah, it would be great to be married and have a family, and like that's what it's all about, right? So I've been like raised like that, you know, that's how my parents raised me. So, yeah.
To like, the values are like to build a family.
Exactly, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Jadi,
grandchildren is the ultimate goal.
Oke. Jadi dari dulu memang di keluarganya sudah biasa seperti ini. You have a sister, right? Older or younger?
Older.
So in his family rupanya udah biasa seperti itu ketika mereka itu mengutamakan yang namanya keluarga. And so is it safe to say that ever since you were probably involved romantically with you know, we have like past relationships and all that, you had always seen any relationship as a serious thing?
Hell no.
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 But you said
Like
you wanted
I was
to be a dad.
Yeah, but like it wasn't real until I met Aureli. And it wasn't even like in the beginning of when we met. It was after I committed. It was after I made it clear, like, I'm done. Then it was like, oh my God, I want to make babies. And I started getting excited about like life, you know? And I've always dreamed of being in this position. We got a house, we're gonna get a dog, we're gonna get, you know, hopefully children. And then we're close to my parents, like 10 minutes from my parents.
Okay.
And all my friends are around here, you know, I got a new office. Yeah.
Life's good.
Life's good. Yeah. Everything's good.
Yeah.
And then I get in a car accident. And that's like the person up there trying to tell me to slow down. So
I guess in a way, yeah.
Yeah, I see everything as a sign. And you know, it actually sucks because Aureli doesn't like that I'm saying this or talking about this, but we saw the house that we bought, we put in an offer, that day, and that day we got hit.
Orang di Amerika itu biasa ya ke chiropractor. People in the US, they're so used to going to a chiropractor ya. Karena di Indonesia enggak, Indonesia tidak. We're not used to going to a chiropractor. Like I've done MC for weddings that were like 5,000 people.
Okay, no, it's small then. Small.
Wait,
So it's like
not even 1,000 kan?
no
1.000
way.
enggak?
Like 130.
130. Kamu nggak
That's
bisa
small,
kawin sama
right?
orang Batak kau. 130 kayak mana itu nggak bisa. Kalau orang Batak pasti makanya di bule dia kawin.
Kokop.
Nice.